Hello friends, କେମିତି ଅଛନ୍ତି? I hope you all are doing great. ମୁଁ ମଦନ welcome you all to my today's English class. ଏହି ଭିଡିଓରେ ଆମେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁଥିବା 103 ଗୋଟି ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ବାକ୍ୟକୁ ଇଂରାଜୀରେ କ'ଣ କହୁ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିବା। ଭିଡିଓରେ ଥିବା ସମସ୍ତ ବାକ୍ୟ ବହୁତ ଛୋଟ, ତେଣୁ ମାତ୍ର ଥରେ ଶୁଣିଲେ ଆପଣ ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ମନେ ରଖିପାରିବେ। ଭିଡିଓଟିକୁ ଶେଷ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, କାରଣ ଏଠାରେ ଥିବା ସମସ୍ତ ବାକ୍ୟ ଅତି ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ। ଆଉ ବିଳମ୍ବ ନକରି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା। ଏଠାରେ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦିଅ। ଫୋକସ୍ ହିୟର, ଫୋକସ୍ ହିୟର। ମୁଁ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ଅଛି। I am busy, I am busy। ଘରକୁ ଯାଅ। Go home, go home। ଏହା ଠିକ୍ କର। Correct it, correct it। ଏହା ବୁଝାଅ। Explain it, explain it। ତାହା କର। Do that, do that। ଏତେ ନୁହେଁ। Not this much, not this much। ଅଳ୍ପ। Just a little, just a little। or just a bit, just a bit। ବେଶୀ ନୁହେଁ। Not much, not much। ଏ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ନୁହେଁ। Not yet, not yet। ଯେତେ ଶୀଘ୍ର ସମ୍ଭବ। As soon as possible, as soon as possible। ଜଲ୍ଦି କର। Hurry up, hurry up। or make it fast, make it fast। ତୁମେ ଠିକ୍ କହୁଛ। You are right, you are right। ତୁମର କ'ଣ ହୋଇଛି? What is wrong with you, what is wrong with you। ମୋତେ ମୋର କଥା ପୂରା କରିବାକୁ ଦିଅ। Let me finish, let me finish। ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା। Let's get started, let's get started। ତୁମର ହୋଇଗଲା କି? Are you done, are you done। ମୋର ହୋଇଗଲା। I am done, I am done। ତୁମେ ପାଗଳ କି? Are you crazy, are you crazy। or are you mad, are you mad। ତୁମେ ଭଲ ଭାବେ ଜାଣ କି? Are you sure, are you sure। ମୁଁ ଭଲ ଭାବେ ଜାଣି ନାହିଁ। I am not sure, I am not sure। ବିଲକୁଲ ନୁହେଁ। No way, no way। or absolutely not, absolutely not। or no chance, no chance। ଆଉ ଗୋଟିଏ ନିଅ। Have another one, have another one। ଆଉ ଅଳ୍ପ ନିଅ। Have a little more, have a little more। ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଶବ୍ଦ ନାହିଁ। I am speechless, I am speechless। ମୁଁ ଶୁଣୁଛି I am listening. I am listening. କାହାରି କଥା ଶୁଣ ନାହିଁ Don't listen to anyone. Don't listen to anyone. କିଛି କହିହେବ ନାହିଁ You never know. You never know. ମୋର କହିବାର ଅର୍ଥ I mean to say. I mean to say. ମୁଁ ଯେତେ ଦୂର ଜାଣେ As far as I know. As far as I know. ଯେମିତିକି ଆପଣମାନେ ଜାଣନ୍ତି As you know. As you know. ସମୟ ସମାପ୍ତ ହେଲା Time is up. Time is up. Or time's up. Time's up. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ କେଉଁଠାରେ ଦେଖିଛି I have seen him somewhere. I have seen him somewhere. ତାର ପାଖାପାଖି 30 ବର୍ଷ He is around 30. He is around 30. ଥରେ One time. One time. Or once. Once. बहुत थर Many times. Many times. ସପ୍ତାହରେ ଥରେ Once a week. Once a week. ବର୍ଷରେ ଥରେ Once a year. Once a year. ତାହା ଭଲ ହେବ That would be nice. That would be nice. ମୁଁ ଲଜ୍ଜିତ I am ashamed. I am ashamed. जल्दबाजी कर नहीं Don't make haste. Don't make haste. ମୁଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ I can't wait. I can't wait. ମୋର ମନେ ନାହିଁ I don't remember. I don't remember. ମୁଁ ଏଥିରେ ଅଭ୍ୟସ୍ତ I am used to it. I am used to it. ଏହା ସହଜ ଅଟେ It is easy. It is easy. ଏହା କଠିନ ଅଟେ It is difficult. It is difficult. Or it is top. It is top. Oh, ମନେ ପଡ଼ିଲା Oh, I remembered. Oh, I remembered. ମୋ ନଜରରୁ ଦୂରେଇ ଯାଅ Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. ସେ ତୁମର ଚୁଗଲି କରୁଥିଲା He was backbiting you. He was backbiting you. କେମିତି କହିବି ଜାଣିପାରୁନାହିଁ I don't know how to say. I don't know how to say. କିଛି କୁହ ନାହିଁ Don't say anything. Don't say anything. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅନ୍ୟ ବିକଳ୍ପ ନାହିଁ I have no other option. I have no other option. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରେ ନାହିଁ I don't believe him. I don't believe him. ମୋତେ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ I have to go. I have to go. Or I have got to go. I have got to go. ଆଗକୁ ଯାଅ. Go ahead. Go ahead. ଧୀରେ ଗାଡ଼ି ଚଲାଅ. Drive slowly. Drive slowly. ଠିକ୍ ଏଇଠାରେ. Right here. Right here. ଠିକ୍ ସେଇଠାରେ. Right there. Right there. ତୁମେ କେଉଁଟି ଚାହୁଁଛ? Which one do you want? Which one do you want? এইটা না সেইটা? This one or that one? This one or that one? କେଉଁଟି? Which one? Which one? এইটা. This one. This one. সেইটা. That one. That one. କଥା କ'ଣ? What's the matter? What's the matter? ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟକୁ ଯାଅ. Go to school. Go to school. ମୁଁ ଭୁଲିଗଲି. I forgot. I forgot. ପାଣିପାଗ କେମିତି ଅଛି? How is the weather? How is the weather? ତୁମେ ତାକୁ ଜାଣ କି? Do you know him? Do you know him? କେହି ଜଣେ ଆସୁଛି. Someone is coming. Someone is coming. ଯେମିତି ହଉ କର. Do it anyhow. Do it anyhow. ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ କହିଲେ ଠିକ୍ କରିଦେବ. Correct me if I am wrong. Correct me if I am wrong. କ୍ଷମା କରିବେ. ମୁଁ ଶୁଣୁ ନଥିଲି. Sorry, I was not listening. Sorry, I was not listening. ଦୟାକରି ଆଉ ଥରେ କହିବେ କି? Could you please repeat? Could you please repeat? Or could you say that again? Could you say that again? ଦୟାକରି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟି ଆଉ ଥରେ କହିବେ କି? Could you please repeat the question? Could you please repeat the question? ତୁମେ ଚିନ୍ତିତ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛ. You look upset. You look upset. ଏହା ହୃଦୟକୁ ନିଅ ନାହିଁ. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କଲ? What did you do? What did you do? ସବୁ କିଛି ଠିକ୍ ଭାବରେ ରଖ. Put everything in order. Put everything in order. ମୁଁ ଏହା ପସନ୍ଦ କରେ. I like it. I like it. ମୁଁ ଏହା ବହୁତ ପସନ୍ଦ କରେ. I love it. I love it. ମୁହଁ ବନ୍ଦ କର. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Or shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. ସମୟ ବର୍ବାଦ କର ନାହିଁ. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. ତୁମେ एमिति काहेकि मोते देखुछ? Why are you looking at me like this? Why are you looking at me like this? मोर विलंब हेब. I will be late. I will be late. मु पैसा देबी. I will pay. I will pay. सतर्क रुह. Be alert. Be alert. आउ थरे. Once more. Once more. तुम पछरे. Behind you. Behind you. हाँ कुह. Say yes. Say yes. फुसफुस कर नहीं. Don't whisper. Don't whisper. जल्दी जल्दी चाल. Move fast. Move fast. नियम गुड़िकु पालन कर. Obey the rules. Obey the rules. एबे कर. Do it now. Do it now. ताकु जणै दियो. Inform him. Inform him. Alarm दियो. Set the alarm. Set the alarm. मु जीवी की. Shall I go? Shall I go? ताकु हसाओ. Make him laugh. Make him laugh. जहाँ भी हेउ मु सेठाकु जीवी. No matter what, I will go there. No matter what, I will go there. से सबु थर भली मो पाखकु आसिला. He came to me as usual. He came to me as usual. मु टिकिए परे आसिबी. I will come after a while. I will come after a while. एहा मोर नियंत्रणरु बाहरे. This is out of my control. This is out of my control. आपनकु केमिति लागिला? How did you find this? How did you find this? बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. ଏହା थिला आपण मानंक पाई 103 गोटी छोट छोट ओडिया वाक्य जेउ गुडी को व्यवहार करी आपण माने फ्लुएंटली इंग्लिश कहि पारिबे. आशा करूछि भिडियोटी निश्चित रूपे आपण मानंकु भलो लागिथिबो. जदि मोर एही भिडियोटी आपण मानंकु भलो लागि थाय तेबे लाइक एवं शेयर करंतु. एमिति नुआ नुआ भिडियो देखिबा पाई चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु. पुणी देखा हेबो परवर्ती भिडियो रे. टिल देन टेक केयर. बाय बाय. रहुछि. नमस्कार.